Welcome to Buy, Hold, Sell. I'm Ben Clark, and today we've got David Keelan from Ellerston and Martin Hickson from WAM, and we're going to be looking at small caps, and particularly the small caps of high quality that are flying at the moment. There's not a lot of them, but we're going to go through a few. First, I'll start with you, Martin. Nearmap, it's on a tear, nearly hit $3 today. Buy, hold or sell? For us, it's a sell. They've done a great job moving into the US and expanding there, also growing their share in Australia. However, we think that the valuation more than reflects that. It's on a P of more than 60 times on FY21 numbers, so very expensive. For us, it's a sell. It's not cheap, David, but you got a different view on this one? Buy, hold or sell?
We're on a hold. We agree management have done well. The story's been one it's taken time to get there, but it has got there. But the multiple is priced in a lot.
Okay. Moving on to ServiceStream, which has made a company-changing acquisition, upgraded its result. You buy, hold or sell?
It's a buy for us. It's a strong balance sheet with a strong management team that have delivered over time. It gives us good exposure to structural changes in infrastructure like 5G and smart meters. And even at these prices here, we're happy to own, given the low level of cyclicality in their earnings.
Okay. Martin, I've noticed there's been some pretty lumpy director selling post the Feb result. You got a different view on this one? There has been, but we agree. We think it's a buy. They've got strong tailwinds from the NBN rollout. The integration of Comdan, the recent acquisition, is going very well. Despite the share price rally, it's still trading on an attractive valuation, 15 times. We think it's a buy. Okay. Now, Ripe, that's had a pretty wild ride over the last couple of years. All-time high, got hammered, back at an all-time high. You got buy, hold or sell? Again, we think it's a buy as well. They're exposed to the shift to cloud. Despite the share price run, it still is trading on 24 times. Earnings growing in excess of 30%, so we like it. We think it's a buy. Yep. David, Microsoft seem to be trying to push everyone into the cloud, and Ripe's benefiting. What's your view on Ripe?
We're big believers of Ripe, and we have been. Microsoft have 500 managed partners, and Ripe is probably number 12 in that whole list. So they've done a great job. They've got great support from Microsoft, and we think it's a buy. Okay. And now I've asked you to bring along one that you think, high quality, it's running, but you're still happy to buy it. What have you got for us? Lyng. Lyng is a builder and service provider for the insurance market. Yeah. We like them because they're solving a problem for insurers, trying to bring down the cost of claims. And at the same time, it has great operating leverage to peak weather events like the recent hailstorms and the floods in Queensland. Okay. Martin, what have you got for us? One that your WAM is still happy to buy at the current levels? Yeah, we still like Chic. We've liked it for the last 12 months. Again, attractive valuation, solid first half result with like-for-like sales growth of around 10%. Store rollout program, they're opening 30 new stores in Australia and a strong online business in the US. So we still think it's a buy. Okay. Well, it goes to show stocks that are flying and of high quality can still be worth looking at and buying, and not necessarily thinking about taking profits.